In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the EA app not opening on your computer. So in order to fix this, you first need to head over to your desktop and locate the EA application. Then we're just going to right click on it like so, click on properties and then select compatibility. From here, you need to ensure that disable full screen optimizations and also run this program as administrator are both ticked, and then you can press apply and OK to save these settings. You can then try loading up the app to see if that's fixed the issue. Otherwise, the next thing you'll need to do is head over to the start menu, search for run and then click on the run icon. In the search box, you need to type in %, local app data, %, and then hit enter. And from this folder, scroll all the way down until you find electronic arts. And once you can see this folder, you just need to right click on it and select the trash icon. And once you've deleted that folder, you're also going to delete EA desktop. So we're going to right click on this as well and select the trash icon. Now don't worry, these two folders will reappear the next time we open the application. So once you've done that, you can close out of this window and try relaunching the app. Now, if that's still not working, the last thing you can try doing is heading over to your start menu and searching for settings and then clicking on the settings window. From the left hand side, select apps and then click on installed apps. Using the search box, search for EA, and once you've found the EA app, you need to click on the 3 horizontal dots and press uninstall. Then confirm by pressing this uninstall button, and that's going to bring up this window here. Now, we're not actually going to uninstall the application, we're going to click on the repair button like so, and that's going to scan all of your files and folders just to ensure that everything's working as it should. And once this has got to 100%, you can then try relaunching the EA app, and that should have now solved any issues you were having. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.